What's up, guys? Welcome back to WrenchingWrecked. Today is 23rd of May, I think. Daddy got the van back. Yeah. Been back, it's been at the barn, but we got this all cleared out. We got our first show to vend, so she's got this all set up. Just doing powder coating, promo stuff. Relatively local tattoo shops, doing a little chopper show, food trucks, beer tents, and all of the typical event stuff, but kicking us off a little bit earlier this year. Usually Motoblot is the first one we do, which actually moved this year, so we'll be out there for that one as well. But this one's ready to go. I just gotta grab a couple more things out of the wagon, load them up into the van, and then we'll fire up the Softail, take this back to the barn, and jump on the chopper, because she's fixed. If you haven't seen those videos, go back a couple. Left me on the side of the road and had to go onto a trailer. Not cool. Probably could have made it work in a pinch if I was traveling, but I was also close enough and had a bunch of guys that were trying to ride out and have a good Sunday, Saturday, whatever day that was last week. I don't want to be the guy to hold everybody up. I had it situated, we got a trailer, we got a shop, we got everything set up, so that's kind of where we're at. Let me get this stuff loaded and then I'll bring you guys along today. I don't know how much we're going to be filming, or I'll be filming, but we'll see what Woodstock brings out for their chopper show. Catch you in a bit. Well, didn't have much time to film at the event yesterday. I actually forgot I brought the GoPro with me. I got a couple snippets on the phone, so I'll put those in here. Calm before the storm.
When more motorcycles come, like the background.
All right, quick little walk through the bikes that showed up. There was more throughout the day, but got real busy talking to people and, you know, asking questions and networking, if you will. So, short little video there. I wasn't sure what to expect. We've never vended that event. I think it's pretty new overall. Good time, good people. But I just went through and cleaned out the Volvo, because that usually gets put away by like March. Weather's been crazy this year and I've just been so busy with other stuff. But if you notice, the dually's not here. My buddies have that, doing upper control arm bushings. I just don't have the time right now to mess around with car stuff on top of the actual other workload of bikes. The barn is filled with bikes. We'll go through that later, but this needs to go away. I'm still running winter tires and it's gonna be 80 degrees today, so that's terrible on the tires, terrible on the car. And there's other things broken on this, and I don't have a working truck right now. So the game plan is, I am going to grab the rest of this stuff, go on a drive to outdoor truck storage, AKA another drive where I am able to keep another car. So I got 2 batteries in here, mini compressor to fill up the tire that's most likely flat. I should have 1. I know 1 was leaking, so I'm assuming that's flat. We're gonna take a little cruise, try and get that truck fired up for the first time this year, and hopefully issue-free drive that home. Then if I still have some more time, I want to throw the battery back in this and try getting this fired up and driving and mobile again. Should fire right up, but I don't have a battery in it. This thing has a power draw somewhere, so if I leave a battery in there extended periods, that kills the battery. Never looked into it, but I do have a new 600 carb instead of the 700 that I got, or 750 I got on here. So Holly carb is on there now. I do want to put that 650 on, or 600 on. It should just, I think, work a little bit better. Still have torque converter and all that other stuff to do on this, but that's going to be another month or so before I can get into ripping the trans out of that. Anyways, I'm rambling. Let me grab my stuff, load this up, and let's go see if we can get my truck running. I miss driving that Ford. See you in a bit. All right, got done with a nice little cruise. Forgot I pulled this in. Normally that's backed in and wedged over. Must have been lazy. Or it was snowing, I can't remember. But let's see what the old girl needs. Definitely a little low on the back tire. Not as bad as I thought. I thought that one would have been flat. Oh, I think we yanked the battery out of this. see. Oh. At least it downpoured this morning, so it got a nice bath. All right. I think we should just need a battery, huh? We got jumper cables in here. Oh, I got a mini compressor in here too for the tire. I had 2 batteries up at the shop. I don't remember which one I actually needed. Let's see. Oh, God. What a POS, huh? Hot. Where the hell's my ground? Hot. Should work. That looks like a hot. Jesus, I need terminals on this real bad. Is this always like that? Must be. All right. We're gonna do some wiring on this in a couple weeks. But for now, let's just jam this together and see if we get any crankage. Might be all we need. Should. It's got an electronic fuel pump in here, so. Ugh. Neutral. Fuel pump's going. I'm guessing she'll fire right up. Let's be optimistic. No starter fluid needed, huh? Pump's pumping. Three squirts. Oh yeah, she'll go. Battery's charging, 60 pounds of oil pressure. That's gonna be a boring video, ain't it? Oh well. Electronic ignition and electronic fuel pump. No need for starting fluid or cranking or any of that extra bits. But we do need to figure out if this cigarette lighter works. I'm guessing it does not. If it does, I can use this little guy. Ooh. Ultimate winning. Let that thing run and warm up from slumber. Probably check the oil. Should have done that first, but it had oil, so why would it need it now? Okay. So far, so good. Front tires look okay. Make sure this thing has some oil. Don't hit the fan. Yeah, good enough. Here, missed this thing. Normally I'm doing hot rod stuff as soon as March rolls around, but the weather this year did not cooperate. It's filling up. This prepped. I don't know why I overthought it and brought extra stuff, but half-hour drive. Didn't want to take any chances. Forgot I had an air pump in there too. What else do I need out of this wagon? Mats, a couple tools. What's this? Should be good. We don't have a head unit in the truck. Well, we have a head unit, but we don't have a radio. That's okay too. GoPro stuff. Starting fluid. Speaker. It's always fun when you got a bunch of cars and you leave stuff in there and forget about them. Coffee and tools. All right, should be about good. Not gonna waste a bunch of your guys' time. Let this thing fill up all the way. We'll top off the other side, flip them around. I'll park the Volvo here. Maybe I'll clean out this garage so I can have a garage spot, huh? Do not care. Maybe pick up some of these branches. Ugh. I think what we might do is go grab the power washer from the other shop, get that fired up, and power wash some vehicles today. And I can do that Honda too. We'll see. Probably check and see what my actual schedule looks like today. I think I got some stuff going on. But big priority, let's get this thing back home. Miss driving this old girl. Scratch and dent bargain deals. It's the only way I like them. We'll see when we get back. I don't know where the day's gonna take me the rest of the way, but we got this back. Runs like a top. Didn't need to do anything, just put some fresh fuel in there. Still pulls like crazy. Needs a bath real bad. Look at all that. Ooh. It's actually white underneath there, but good enough. I'll drive it filthy. It doesn't bother me none. At least we got that back. So I'm gonna spend a little bit of time just going through this massive pile of crap that I got over here. Figure out what I need to bring home, what stays here, and all of that. And then maybe we'll come back later today and throw a battery in the Falcon too. Get the hot rod stuff done. The van's running fine. Got to grab some stuff out of there from the show yesterday as well. So for now, that's where we're going to wrap it up. If I end up doing more or want to take you along on anything, I will. But we got the truck back. Desperately needs a front driver tire, which I actually have one up there for that. Oh well, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Short little update. Didn't do much, but getting the hot rods back out. That's the plan. Catch you on the next one.